A meditation to connect to the conscious oneness of God. I breathe deeply through my nose, feeling the air rise through my stomach, filling my lungs. I exhale through my mouth with a sigh of relief. Again, I breathe deeply through my nose, feeling the air rise through my stomach, filling my lungs. I exhale through my mouth with a sigh of relief. I'm ready to calm my mind, taking deep breaths, exhaling slowly, reinforcing the truth I know in my heart. When I transcend reality to total reality, I find unity, no duality. For duality dissolves at higher levels of consciousness, as darkness doesn't coexist in the light and love of conscious oneness. For in conscious oneness, all souls are recognized as light energy of our Creator. One Holy Spirit intertwines and weaves the souls into one dynamic tapestry of life, evolving and growing as unique expressions of God. So I open my heart to go within, seeing the miracle of all life, recognizing the spark within me at this higher frequency. All is one. The seed of divinity is within all living creatures as expressions of our Creator. Ready to be watered and nourished by the light, to grow in the tree of Christ consciousness, to merge with one unified force of wholeness. Away from the mask of illusion, away from deception of separation and fragmentation. And I hear my soul whisper, "You are worthy. You are light energy. You are conscious oneness." Therefore, I witness the interconnectedness of life. I sense the gentle nudges from my soul and spiritual guides in the heavenly realm, calling me to see the divinity in all people and eternal love for humanity. For the unity of life means seeing myself in all beings, and all beings in myself. So I breathe in and I breathe out. Feeling the energy pour through me as water in a stream. I am connected to my higher self, allowing the energy to flow, tuning into a higher vibration. My mind is relaxed, the door has opened, and I feel the energy circulating through my body. My mind stills, revealing my purpose in time and space to expand my consciousness. So I breathe in and I breathe out. I am pleased with the alignment of my higher self with God. Reminding me of who I am, my true nature, my eternal being. With ease and non-resistance, I accept my life fully. I remember why I have come. I recognize that I chose this life to evolve in, to expand my awareness, to evolve my soul. And in the right frequency, when my vibration rises, I move into divine consciousness, recognizing within myself and others that we are all connected in universal love, all souls reflecting their higher self in God. Away from the conditioned mind, I enter the realm of consciousness to find synchronicity with the universe. And I hear my soul whisper, "You are worthy. You are light energy. You are conscious oneness." In this meditative moment, I feel I am on the right path, with the right intentions, moving in the right direction. In conscious oneness. May each day we make a conscious choice to see the divinity within all people as expressions of our Creator.